Ni suweng pa sa kanti ko Don Bosco Media Network kunrum chaksua, ang Alicia A. Sangma, na simang na daan ni koburang ko para katinga. Katsabi chungrang, flag political dorang ni thomani ko ngatanga, chuk matingo koloni wal kamdawa, jigmuk pa koburang. Rianggapan November Kulgirkani Tariko West Giant Hills Ajani Mukro Songwa Assam Police Aro Forest Guard Rangni Goani Chi Saktok Manirang Suota Ko Matnani Jaman Adok ni Damgani ni Sima Jolo Border Outpost Ko Songnati Kangaha Sombarsalo Plak Political Do Rangni Tokmani Ko Ngatangani Jaman Badia Biaprango Border Outpost Rango Songgen Uko Mongolbar Salo Cabinet Ti Kangen Aro Kenchakna Nangbat Kapab Biaprango Border Outpost rang ko songnati kaani bidding o dengtang political doni dulgaparang na thalatiw nangaha aniskutung minister para katangaha. Sima jol rango songdongeng gapa mandirang na naljukani ko nagata adok sorkari plak nanga ja kurang ko di anggen eneba skutung minister para katangaha. Meeting ni somayo minute kini na siyang gamanjangirang ko gisikra ani chingata tiktiksa na drip tungwani ko takanga.
We have just concluded the meeting of all political parties and also of political leaders, including members of Legislative Assembly, especially in the border zones which are near the areas of differences. So all those MLAs from those areas were also invited to this meeting. I first of all would like to thank all the MLAs and all the party leaders who have joined us in this meeting. Number two, the agenda of the meeting was to brief all the respected party leaders and political parties and MLAs on the past week and the entire sequence of events and the different steps that have been taken by the government and what is the future course of action. So all those aspects were shared and discussed with the honorable leaders and political parties and MLAs. And second, we have also discussed about the entire border areas and areas of differences where we would want that steps be taken so that there's no tension in those areas, and for future safety of all the citizens, we could take steps to ensure that these areas some positive steps can be taken from the government side. And we sought suggestions from everyone, and we've noted on all the suggestions. Very good suggestions have come from everybody, and all of them have expressed their concern over the situation. We have unitedly condemned this entire incident. We also, as a mark of respect to departed souls, we maintained 2 minutes of silence from our side. And apart from this, the steps that are important is that tomorrow in the cabinet we will be finalizing the lists for different areas where BOPs will be set up, and hence we shared with the different leaders from political parties that we have decided that we will be putting up BOPs in these sensitive areas and many others, and ensuring that full manpower, full infrastructure and full whatever is necessary should be done to ensure that these BOPs are functioning well. So we will take all steps necessary in order to ensure that safety and security of the citizens in the border area is maintained.
Rubibar Salo Gatam Atha Bajimango, Southwest Garo Hills Ajani, Aragatim Song Jan Mahendraganj Police Station oni kilometer bunga mangni kita chela. Jim wano nanguni chimuk ko bukot na akul ko chueng matingo nga chini wa al kamdawani ko nukso na gatamat na ha. Authority rang ni khobor na uyata ni gatade. Jal Jeevan Mission ni kamna PHE staff aro technician rang ni akul ko chueng mating sumayo koloni wal chadawe kamchakata ha ne prakatang ha. Akul chokpa piapuni wal kamani khobor ko mansuwa Pakan Fire and Emergency Services Department ni wal ko khmete kalgaparang sukpa chi satapani jaman wal ko khmete galna gatamat na ha. Wal ko khmete galani jaman no wa ao ka spu tapke ungkata kunik naman skaha yo bosta chi mamang sakna ko manani khoborang ko de down the pet manswa dong khuja aro ajani police rang wa biap ko ni timinga ni khobor ko manswa ha yo bosta ungpa biapo nung ni to bages chokna nanga ane chanchi pingani ko sandiat nagata bangi jasalni gisepon Oil and Petroleum Ministry ni expert rang riang na singa ne ba khobor ko manswa ha.
page na chi boring ka ba welcome nga
Yan dal na kubrong ni suwing pa sa kanti kon metela.